in the Philippines. But what we have to do is you're going to have a blueprint. And that blueprint that I'm actually mentioning is all about the goal. Because if you have already established your dream and you have not, or you are not doing something on how you'll be able to achieve those dreams of yours, that dream or those dreams will just remain to be dream and never be fulfilled. That is why you need to have a blueprint. You started to come up with your goal. And I remember the lines of Benjamin Mays, and I quote, "The tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach." The question, have you reached your dream? Have you fulfilled? Have you already gotten that particular dream of yours? What could be your answer? The answer is 100% yes. That's why you're here. Clap your hands for that. Give yourselves, blow your own trumpet. Why? Because you have established your goal in life, and today, as I said earlier, you are already at the edge of glory. You have already right there at the edge of glory. You are not actually in failure because you have established your dreams, and they have already underwent goal setting, and then after that one, you now the dreams, the fulfillment of your dreams is now in your hearts. So ladies and gentlemen, we are all on a journey, and whether you're aiming to build a business, advance your career, or simply become a better version of yourself, your destination matters. You're going to think, where am I heading? 10 years from now, what will I become? Maybe I will become already a leader. I'll become already a supervisor. I've already become a captain, a chief. These are your dreams in life. That's why you're able to rise because of your faith. And never ever forget that particular faith. Whether what particular denomination you will have. Whether you are a worshiper of Allah, you are a worshiper of God, but you have also established that relationship with God, a healthy, a robust relationship with God. That God that you are actually thinking of will usher you in the quest of the fulfillment of your dreams. And you need to clap and worship God. You need to thank God. Be grateful to our loving God for giving you the continence of reaching out your dreams. Pwede ba nato palakpakan ng Ginoo? Can we give, thank God, because of you, because of your approval, we are able to reach our respective dreams in life. So you must establish. That's why after this one, in your ring hopping, which is actually a symbolism and ceremony, but eventually the truth for this is all about your responsibility as professionals in our society. You will not just be right there as a mere teacher. You will not just be right there to function as a mere policeman, or a mere nurse, but you are right there to become an effective, competent, resilient, and of course, you will have results. Babaguhin po natin ang imahe ng ating mga professionals na ating pong naririnig right now. What we're hearing, just like the other day when I was actually talking to a person, a stranger, he was actually talking about how our nurses in the public school system right now are treating the client, our populace, our people. We have to change. In nursing, you were taught all about communication, to develop empathy, to sympathize, and let it be that whatever theories that were actually told by your professors, by your instructors, you're going to apply it the moment that you will be in a real world, a real setup, in your community. You're going to be affectionate. You're going to be passionate nurses, and whatever professional that you will be. So it is actually a responsibility. We're not actually joking. This is not just only a very superficial thing that we're doing, ring hopping. You have to think that this is not only ceremony, But this is already responsibility the moment you step out from the portal of this hall. You're going to do that. And that would lead you to becoming a great public servant, great servant. That's why you obtain this one because of your discipline. Pakiwari ng iba, ayaw ko nang magpatuloy. Bakit? Kasi nahirapan ako. Napakamahal ng tuition fees. Napakamahal, wala pong ganito, wala pong ganyan. Ang aking mga magulang ay naghihirap na po kasi wala na po sila may padala na pera. You're going to bank on that. Because of the parents are toiling, because your parents are struggling enough to produce money just to support your education, you have to give and to reciprocate that unconditional love that your parents are actually giving you. Right? So, everything that you did right now, ladies and gentlemen, is all about your hard work. Hitting your goals is a result of consistent, seemingly insignificant actions practiced over a long time. Showing what you feel and like. And the values that will be actually producing right here, number one will be patience, pasensyoso na ta. We become persistent, whatever hardships that we'll be encountering along the way. Since the values are already instilled, are already deeply rooted right there in your hearts and mind. Where there are calamities, where there are problems, there are predicaments, odds and obstacles, you will surely be able to defeat these particular kinds of giants in your lives because you're already fed, have already mastered all of those values taught by your professors. Overcoming odds, that is the path to your dreams, and you will encounter obstacles. Ang iba sabi nila, you now become cowards. Some of you will not be able to finish. Why? Because they have lots of, their minds are already preoccupied with a lot of things. Like, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I don't have money, I don't have like that. But these are just only obstacles to success. But you will just allow yourselves to go through the process, then you will be able to get through all of this. As you venture towards your dream, there could be mistakes. And do not be afraid of mistakes, because mistakes are just only normal. It's pretty normal. It's just actually part and parcel of the process of making you a better citizen, a better human being, to becoming the best version of yourselves. There could be doubters along the way. These are the sidebar voices that would tell you cannot do it. Ano man na siya, naskwila man siya lang at hina man na siya utok na. I remember one of my teachers before when we were still in high school would often say, kaya ka nimo nga pagtanaw na ko nimo karon murag hinay magay ka. And yet that person, that student that he actually ridiculed right now is one of the doctors serving in our community. So we cannot tell. We cannot tell. Right now, you're not actually showing up. You're just an average. You're just actually giving a mediocre. You actually show mediocrity. But later along the process, along these immersions, you have already provided the best. You